Then coming to the second part of this session, mucosal drug delivery system. Here we are going to discuss about the define advantages, disadvantages of the drug delivery systems, and accordingly we'll able to learn a few things related to the mucosal drug delivery system. Let's come to the point advantages of mucosal drug delivery systems. Now, first and most thing, it's having a good patient compliance. And why this patient compliance is better or good? As because it is easy to administer, and if at all it is required to terminate the therapy in between the session, so it can be easily removed in case of topical drug delivery systems. Now, drugs that are unstable in acidic environment or destroyed in the enzymatic degradation or alkaline environment in the intestine can easily applied to this system. For example, buccal drug delivery systems. So buccal drug delivery systems and topical drug delivery system that can be utilized. Now, going to the next point, it permit localization of the drug to the oral cavity for a prolonged period of time. That's what I was discussing about, that buccal drug delivery system is one of the example which can provide a wonderful effects as far as drug release is concerned. Offer an excellent route for the systemic drug delivery system, having drawback of fast metabolism, convenient for the drug that shows poor viability in normal cases. Again, significant dose reduction can be achieved. For example, as the close contact is there, and as the maximum concentration of drug can be used for the therapeutic benefit, therefore very small amount of doses can even going to work properly. So these are the advantages of mucosal drug delivery systems. Now coming to the disadvantages part, what are the different disadvantages? One of the major limitation or disadvantages with the buccal drug delivery system is a low flex, which result low drug viability. Drug which irritate in the mucosa or mucosal layer, having unpleasant taste, obnoxious odor, cannot be used in this particular route. As because once you are going to use for buccal buccoadhesive purpose, then this taste can going to play a vital role. Even you are going to use some mucoadhesive drug delivery systems for your stomach and internal parts, then also what may happen, the it may cause or produce some irritation to the applied site. Drugs that have a small dose requirement and absorbed by passive diffusion can only be administered through this. So there are some limitation. A huge dose forming drug cannot be given through this particular delivery system. There is a possibility of patient swelling of dosage form, means once these are made up of some soluble polymers. This particular system is made up of some soluble polymers, therefore the swelling tendency of the polymer play a vital role. If at all the polymer get swell in a huge amount, so it may produce some discomfort in the applied area. Eating and drinking and everything can be restricted during the therapy, as because this particular things can adhere to the skin, and by doing all these activities, it can disturb the attachment. At the same time, it can produce some problem related to the drug release. Overhydrations also may create some problem. So these are overall issues that may find at the time of mucosal drug delivery systems. Above all, the mucosal drug delivery system are still quite acceptable in our pharmaceutical field, and it's showing its own potency in different areas. So just moving towards the next part, we are going to discuss about the outcome of the discussion.